Hello everyone, welcome to AAPS Tutorials. Today we are going to dive into a practical lecture of multimedia tags in HTML. Here is the required output on the browser. We are going to code something which will produce this output on the browser screen. So let's get started with our editor. Here is a pre-written code for demonstrating each of the image tag in the HTML. Let's understand each of these lines one by one. In the last lecture, we have already learned that the various multimedia tags are used to insert the audio and video tags. As both the tags have much similar format, I have created the sample based on the video tag. In the first video tag, the video will play as soon as the user presses the play button. The height and width attributes are used to define the height and width for the video. The source src attribute has been used for declaring the source of the video film in HTML. In the second video tag, I have added the autoplay attribute which defines that the video will start playing as soon as the user opens the web page. In the third video attribute, I have added the time control option which will make the video play from 5 to 25 seconds. So these are our three tags for which we are going to see the output. The video can be set to play repeatedly by using the loop attribute inside the video tag. Try the same code by replacing the video tag with the audio tag and the required file. So here our code is complete and it's time to see the output. Here is the output of our code on the browser screen. I hope you have enjoyed coding along with me and learned to build the basic structure of the web page. In the next video, we will learn coding of multimedia tags in HTML. Thank you. Click the subscribe button to stay updated with all our recent videos.